perfect competition firm equilibrium in the short run. When it's a short run means in the perfect competition means at least a few factor of production is fixed. That means the perfect competition, the price of an industry start adjusting the quantity produced. According to the quantity produced, their price can be adjusted, increases or decreases. According to the supply of a demand, they will adjust. So we can say, you can see using this can be explained using the diagram. We can see the diagram of consists of 3 panels. The equilibrium of industry explained using the first panel. First panel you can see here, the first one, y-axis, x-axis you can see there. Demand, red color line is called a demand curve, and the blue color line it is called as a supply curve. And where it meets a point at E, it's called the equilibrium point, where they can earn a maximum of profit. That means in the first panel of a diagram, if a perfect competition means according to the demand and supply, the firm can produce for his product, price is 10 rupees, it can sell it for a 50 unit. That means 10 into 50, what will happen? It will come as a 500. That's what the diagram is about. So you can earn a profit of up to that one. So if it is in the second. So here you can see you can earn a profit of a 50. That means 100 multiplied by 50, it will come as a 500. Maximum of profit is 500. So if it's the second diagram, you can see the diagram here, second one. In the second diagram, AC curve lower than the price of a line. AC curve in the sense blue color curve you can see there. That curve is coming down up to the B and touches and goes up. So it is a point where the price of that product decreasing, price line, it is that curve is below the price line. So there only the MC is equal to MP. MC in the sense means marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. So where there the price of each product is 10 rupees, he has to produce it for 10 into 10 multiplied by 50 means 500 he has to come. That the income he has to get it. And total cost if it's there 50 multiplied by 80 means the expenses is 400. That's what the line, shaded line, you can see the 8. Okay. From the usual expenses, if his expense is 8 rupees means 8 multiplied by 50 means how much will come? It's 400 it will come. So from the usual, if you minus that 400 means abnormally you can get 100 extra profit. So that is a supernormal profit he is earning. So using this one, when compared to normally he can get an income of 500. After the second one, the AC curve is lower than the price line means the 50 into 8 means 400. So 500 minus 400 means 100 is getting. The expense is less, he is selling it for the same price 10 rupees. So extra 100 is getting. So you can see here. So in the third diagram you can see. Firm 2 you can see there. The third part of a diagram, the cost curve, that AC curve you can see, that is above the price line. It is above the price line you can see. So there is the point where the MR is equal to MC. That means marginal revenue is equal to marginal cost. So there he was selling his product for 50 into 100. 50 into 10 unit of product. He has to get 500. But what he is doing, his expense is 50 multiplied by 12. Means his expense is 600 rupees. But normally he has to get 500. So expense keep on increasing, cost of expense increasing, price is decreasing, means he is not getting a profit. So 600 minus 500 means 100 rupees, how much he is getting a loss of 100 rupees. So abnormal loss will come. So if that is the case means what will happen in the sense means as if it's a profit, if he is earning a profit normally, means the other, if it's happen in the market, if the other firms see whatever is earning a profit, super normal profit, 100 rupees extra is getting a, means those are outside the market seeing that abnormal profit, many industry will wanted to enter in the market. If that many industries started entering in the market, means many firm will be prevail or launched in the market. So the supply of a product will be more. So because many industries is there, many industries started producing the product. So the demand for a product is, for example, a cell phone company, means many cell phone companies, many cell phone is there, variety of cell phone is there. So demand for cell phone is there, supply also is there. So if it's that is a case, means they wanted to make a more profit, whatever they will, other cell phone companies, what they will do, they will decrease the price of the product. So if they decrease the price of a product, means sometimes, or if he is capable to manage his loss, means he will be earn the abnormal profit. You can give the better example, JioSIM. So when compared to other data packs or other telecommunication department is giving, no, when the Jio is launched in the market, you can think it means they are given the data of a very less price. So what did happen? The expense that for data is also in for him loss only, but the whatever is data, whatever he is giving, means like other company only is giving, but he is giving at a lesser cost. So what it happened? Many people started buying the Jio SIMs. So in that case, if it's that is a case, means what happened? The Jio SIM has launched that SIM, means abnormal profit they are earned. We have seen logically example. So whatever those who are in the market and the data companies, whatever the telecommunication company, whoever other competitors there, they cannot disturb, they are disturbed by that loss. So there will be wiped out from the market, other companies. So whoever there already, they can manage the loss. For that means that company will be in the market, they won't exit from the market. So if that is a case, means many companies who are already in the market, already they exit from the market, means there will be few suppliers, few producer in the market will be there. So if it's that is a case, means few people will manufacture and give, means supply for the product will be less. So if a supply for the product is less, means we can increase the price. So if we increase the price, means what automatically will become, you can earn the profit. So the loss will be vanished, and at the start you will start producing the profit. So this is what logically happen. Free entry and exit of a firm will be there, and perfect competition in the future will be whatever happened here. So for this we can get a good example, means JioSIM. So this is what about the perfect competition, the short run.